Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh budgie salad. So go ahead and collect all of your vegetables. For this salad you will need some carrot, cucumber, tomato, cabbage, salad, and some paprika. You can use other vegetables too, of course. Just make sure they're safe for your budgie. A salad should be fed to your budgies about once or twice a week. Rinse your vegetables from any dirt before cutting them. Now put the salad in a food dish and give it to your budgies. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Bye!